Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Airbnb app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and launch the Airbnb app, but for some reason it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Now, if Airbnb is not working, what you need to do is that you want to go ahead and swipe up and hold the screen, and you're going to see Airbnb pop up like this. Next, hold the Airbnb icon and then go ahead and swipe up again. And what you've done there is just a soft reset of the Airbnb app. So now check and see if it works. The next thing that you could also do is that if you go into the app store of your phone and then search up Airbnb, go ahead and see if that there's an update that's required of the Airbnb app. And so with it, click on update if there's an update and see if that works. But those two are essentially the main solutions that I've been able to try to figure out in order to get my Airbnb app work. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.